just incredible what this does and opening the space around our body.
Has helped me develop more skills as a public speaker, also as a CEO.
But when you open your arms, you're saying, I'm ready for you, I've got this. Hey, how you doing? And we are just talking to folks who happened to do my day-long live intensive workshop. It was intense, wasn't it?
Yes, it was. Yes, it was. But it was phenomenal.
Take that passion and that belief in yourself that you had in that moment to do that endeavor and maybe apply it to your book.
This session was mind-blowing. I mean, you made me feel vulnerable. You brought out things in me I didn't know was in me. I know you're going to be able to help me get to the next level in my business.
Yes, I said all that to say, know that people are watching, you are influencing others, especially me.
Because I was ready to go to the next level as far as speaking and a book I want to bring out and just learning about myself, my message, and how to deliver it better.
And it's taken you away from the goal that you put right here, and you circled it.
Honing in what I need to step away from and what I need to invest more in as a business owner and also as a member of the media. So it was very helpful, extremely helpful.
You've got to make that decision. How important is it to you? Tell me about where you were before the workshop and then after, now that you finished this day, a long day together.
Where I was all over the place. I wasn't focused. I was like, okay, I had a lot of questions. At the end of this workshop, I received a lot of answers and a lot of focus, a lot of direction. So I'm ready to just take this thing on. I'm ready to go.
I would love to have you join the next one, but I don't have time right now to get into that because we're about to celebrate. Pop some champagne. Now I'm gonna tap out of this Facebook Live. Thanks so much. Bye. Cheers to your goals.
2018.
Yeah.